Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Carrying a Concealed Weapon Without a Permit Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with carrying a concealed weapon in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your carrying a concealed weapons charge. Contact one of our Missouri carrying a concealed weapon defense lawyers today at 314-900-HELP to protect your rights and future. Let's discuss hiring our carrying a concealed weapon defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Carrying a concealed weapon defense lawyers in Missouri. If you have been charged with carrying a concealed weapon without a permit in St. Louis or elsewhere in Missouri, it is crucial to contact a reputable criminal defense lawyer right away. Combs Waterkotte has the knowledge and experience necessary to defend you against gun-related charges and minimize the impact they have on your life. Carrying a concealed weapon without a permit lawyer in Missouri. Missouri is a constitutional carry state, which means that most people over the age of 19 can legally carry a concealed handgun without a permit. Nevertheless, there are strict laws regarding where and how weapons can be transported or carried, and violating those laws can lead to felony charges. CCW charges are serious matters that can result in fines, incarceration, and a lifelong criminal record. Combs Waterkotte can explain complicated Missouri gun laws, help you understand what you're up against, and guide you through the stress of being arrested and charged. Our experienced lawyers are ready to fight for your freedom. Call a Missouri CCW defense lawyer today at 314-900-HELP or contact us online for a free, confidential consultation. Protect your rights against carrying a concealed weapon charges in Missouri. CCW charges may be based on an officer's misunderstanding of Missouri's carry laws, or on an honest mistake like entering a prohibited location or forgetting to inform a police officer that you're carrying. Innocent actions can lead to serious legal consequences. Don't hesitate to speak to a CCW defense attorney. The sooner you do, the better your chances of avoiding a conviction. Your future is in your hands. Missouri laws on carrying a concealed weapon. Missouri's constitutional carry law allows most adults to carry without a permit, but that doesn't mean all concealed carry is legal. Violations can still occur, especially in prohibited areas or when carrying in a manner that conflicts with federal or state laws. Legal guidelines in Missouri. Missouri Revised Statutes, Section 571.030, defines unlawful use of weapons to include carrying concealed weapons, except for the following scenarios: animals, bows and arrows, firearms within or attached to a motor vehicle or boat, while the vehicle CTT boat is being operated, knives with blades 4 inches or less, tools used by farmers and miners in their regular work, weapons openly carried, weapons displayed for trade or amusement in commercial spaces. Prohibited locations. Concealed weapons are not allowed in schools, government buildings, including courthouses and police stations, private properties with posted "No Weapons" signage. Additionally, felons and individuals under restraining orders are prohibited from carrying firearms. Missouri's constitutional carry law does not override these bans. Failing to notify an officer about a concealed weapon during a stop can also result in charges. Example: violations in Missouri. Missouri firearm laws are nuanced. Common violations include carrying a concealed weapon into a school zone without realizing it, entering a private business with no weapons signage, failing to inform a police officer about a concealed firearm during a traffic stop. Combs Waterkotte will examine the facts of your case, assess the legality of the charges, and pursue all available defense strategies. Penalties for carrying a concealed weapon without a permit in Missouri. Punishments vary based on circumstances, including the type of offense where it occurred and any prior criminal history or aggravating factors. Classifications of offenses. Class A misdemeanor. Most first-time offenses, like carrying into a prohibited area. Class E felony. Elevated when a prior conviction or weapon use during a felony is involved. Potential penalties. Fines. Misdemeanors up to $2,000. Felonies much higher. Jail time up to 1 year for misdemeanors, 1 to 4 years for felonies. Probation to community service, especially for younger or first-time offenders. Collateral consequences. Loss of gun rights. Felony convictions may permanently bar firearm ownership. Employment hurdles. Criminal records limit job prospects. Future permit ineligibility. A conviction may block CCW permit approval. We fight to mitigate charges, reduce penalties, or have them dismissed whenever possible. Common defenses to CCW charges in Missouri. At Combs Waterkotte, we examine every angle of your case. These are some of the most common strategies we use. Fourth Amendment violations. If police found your firearm without probable cause or a valid warrant, we may get that evidence thrown out. Example: a routine traffic stop escalates into an unlawful vehicle search. Lack of intent. If you didn't know or intend to carry the weapon unlawfully, this can be a powerful defense. Example: forgetting a firearm was in your backpack or glove box. Self-defense. We may argue that immediate personal danger justified your decision to carry. Example: you carried a weapon to protect yourself after receiving threats. Protecting your rights with tailored defense strategies in Missouri. No two cases are alike. Whether it's a constitutional violation, misinterpreted law, or faulty evidence, we will build the strongest strategy possible. Missouri's carry laws are complex, and even minor mistakes can lead to serious charges. You deserve a defense that accounts for every detail. What you didn't know about Missouri's constitutional carry laws. Many people are surprised to learn how easily they can violate Missouri's laws, even with good intentions. Misconceptions include assuming you can carry anywhere with no restrictions, believing no firearms signs aren't legally enforceable, failing to inform law enforcement about possession during a stop. Even lawful gun owners make mistakes. Our job is to protect your rights and fight for your future. Why Combs Waterkotte is the only choice for your CCW defense in Missouri. 50-plus years of experience. We've handled hundreds of CCW cases. Missouri gun law experts. We know the nuances of constitutional carry inside and out. Former prosecutor advantage. We anticipate the state's strategy before they present it. Proven track record. From dismissed charges to not guilty verdicts. Custom defense plans. No boilerplate tactics, only tailored representation. Aggressive, relentless advocacy. We don't let the state steamroll your future. 24/7. Support. We're here when you need us most. Respectful, human representation. We treat you like a person, not a case number. How a Combs Waterkotte CCW lawyer can help in Missouri. Being charged with unlawful concealed carry doesn't mean you're guilty. We'll analyze your stop, search, and circumstances to build the best defense, whether that means proving intent was lacking, challenging the location, or throwing out unlawfully obtained evidence. What happens if you don't hire a lawyer for CCW charges in Missouri? You risk jail or prison time, loss of gun rights, possibly for life, no one to challenge illegal searches. You may not even know key defenses exist. Prosecutors may push maximum penalties. No one to negotiate reduced charges. No advocate guiding you through the system. Combs Waterkotte is here to fight for you. Protect your constitutional rights in Missouri. With Combs Waterkotte, if you're facing a concealed carry charge, time is critical. These charges can lead to prison time, permanent criminal records, and the loss of your gun rights. Combs Waterkotte provides a free, confidential case evaluation. Defense strategies crafted for your unique situation. 24/7 communication and support. A team dedicated to protecting your future.